How to allow camera access to Messenger app in your iPhone. It's pretty quick and easy. So before starting the video, subscribe our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon so you can receive the notification of next video. To like, comment and share as well. Without wasting the time, let's jump in your settings. If you want to record any video, if you want to send any voice note on your Messenger, so you have to go to your settings and tap on the Messenger app in your settings. So just click on the Messenger, search for Messenger, scroll down, here is the Messenger. Just tap on Messenger and then you can see the camera and the microphone option. So you can see it's switch off. Just switch on your camera and then it will allow camera access to your Messenger app itself. Just switch on your camera. Now you can easily send picture. If you want to send any video and you want to send any voice note, just make sure to switch on your microphone from the settings. Hope it helps. If you have any question, let me know in the comments below. If not, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to like. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye, and thanks for watching.